Have you heard about Disability Access Service? I will discuss what it is and how it works. Disney does a fantastic job trying to accommodate everyone at their parks. Disability Access Service, or DAS, is something I learned about just before my last trip to Disney World. I brought my mom with us on our trip, and she gets pain in her feet that makes it difficult for her to stand in line. Disability access is for everyone who might have a difficult time with lines. On Disney's website, they state, DAS is intended for guests whose disability prevents them from waiting in a conventional queue environment. However, this is not for people who use a wheelchair or a scooter because those guests can wait in the standard line for most attractions. If the ride doesn't have wheelchair access, the cast member will give them a return time. To get disability access, it's very simple. Just go to guest relations at the main entrance of the park. Tell the cast member that you need DAS. They will ask you a few questions, then they will take your picture and scan your magic band or whatever device you use to enter the parks. The DAS is good for 60 days. It will be linked to everyone in your party. Now, how to use it. Go up to the cast member at the entrance of the ride and tell them you have disability access and need a return time. Then they will scan your magic band and add anyone in your party that wants to ride with you. I think it's up to about 6 guests. The cast member will give you a return time. Usually it's similar to the posted wait time. So you can rest, go eat, or shop, or go on a different ride while you wait. The disability access time won't expire until the park closes. But just like FastPass, you can't get in line before the designated return time. Also, you can only use disability access one attraction at a time. Once you have used it, you can get a return time for another attraction. Once it's time to ride, scan your magic band where you would if you had a FastPass and get in the FastPass line. Everyone going on the ride needs to scan theirs as well. Also, make sure the person with the disability access scans theirs first when getting in the queue. Disability access was a great help for my mom on our trip. Whenever we were waiting for our return time, we would eat a snack, rest, or go on a ride if the ride had a short wait time. Also, there were a few times when the cast member let us get in line without waiting. The first time we tried to use disability access, the cast member's device wasn't working properly. And so, for our patience, she let us get in line right then. Another time the cast member let us get on without a return time was because the wait time was only 15 minutes. However, the majority of the time we were given a return time, especially when the ride had a long wait time. Well, I hope this helps you understand Disability Access Service. If you've experienced Disability Access Service or have any questions, please drop a comment below.